So as long as we are organized in the world, primarily committed to our own comforts and conveniences as the most important objective and purpose of life, we are inevitably um engaged in a kind of a struggle with the circumstances of life, and you know the circumstances of life that are handed to us, are given to us. The what do they say? They say it is the cards that you are dealt with in a card game, right? I mean, you can't really have total control over that, because it's what happens in life, and it happens, and that's what happens. So, uh, you know, uh, but being able to elevate your approach and relationship to life as one where you begin to see yourself as an instrument of a greater purpose, of a greater possibility, much larger than your own comforts and conveniences, that you may not entirely be fully aware of, but you can begin to sense that that possibility exists for you, and you are seeking actively in alignment with that possibility. That itself is profoundly transformative.